enjoy a good hot water cornbread recipe? Then we have the recipe just for you. Hot water cornbread goes well with a hearty bowl of soup, stews, or with your collard greens, amongst other dishes. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to take some self-rising yellow cornmeal. And you can use the regular cornmeal, but honestly, in my opinion, I find it tastes a lot better with the self-rising cornmeal. So that's the recipe I'm going to do today. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And I like to put a little bit of sugar in to give it a little bit more flavor. I mean, I know other recipes, they don't use that, but I find it helps enhance it some. Next, we're going to be putting some salt in here. And we're just going to whisk this around. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, next, and we're going to set the butter aside, and we're going to take our pot of boiling water, and you want to make sure that it's boiling, so that way it can kind of somewhat cook the cornmeal. And we're going to just take our hot boiling water and just mix that in there. Now, if you find that you need additional water, I would just add like maybe a tablespoon at a time, because you just want it just basically moist enough to form a patty. Next, we're going to put our melted butter in here. Mix that in here as well. And I'm just going to let this sit to give it time to all kind of gel together for maybe in about 5 minutes. Okay, so after it's set, we're going to take it, and maybe about 2 tablespoons per patty. You're just going to you can pat it out like this. I like mine a little bit on the thicker side, not too incredibly thin. You can pat it out just like that, or you can roll it, maybe form it into a ball, and when you get to the frying part, just drop that in and take a spoon and press it down. I'll do it both ways so we can see. Okay, so now we're going to take it to a hot pan of grease, and you want maybe about 1 inch of grease, and you're going to make sure it's nice and hot. We're going to take our patty, and what you can do is you can just take it on the spatula, and we're going to fry it for 1.5 minutes per side. And we're going to take the one that was just a ball. You can either pre-form it in patties, or you can take it and just drop it in like that, take a spoon, and you can press it as well and form a patty like that, whichever way is easier for you. And we're going to fry these for about 1.5 minutes per side. And you're just going to take it and we're going to flip it. And do the same for this one. Cook that for the same time. Okay, and after these are done cooking, we're just going to go ahead and remove them and set them on a cooling rack with foil lined underneath so that it can catch the grease drippings. And we're going to do the same thing for the remainder of the balls. I like to roll mine with the ball. It just seems easier to me. And just press it down. All right, and this is what they look like after I fried them, took them off, let them cool in the rack for about a couple minutes. And we're going to show you what they look like in the inside. Okay, and I'm just going to break this apart. You hear? Crispy on the outside, nice and fluffy, soft in the inside. And I got some jelly. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Oh, that's good. Okay, so if this video was at all helpful to you, go ahead and press that thumbs up. Comment down below and let us know what you think of this recipe. Also, don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.